this is Trisha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a first video that I'm making on YouTube, so super excited for it. Let me introduce myself first. I'm Trisha. I come from India, and recently I have moved to Spain, and I'm figuring my life over here. But I thought let's start doing something, and I was always into. I always used to spend my time seeing a couple of reels, following too many influencers, and I don't know, I somehow had an inclination towards it but never gave it a shot. So I thought, why not try it? So yeah, here I am making my first video on YouTube. I would probably want to do a lifestyle video, maybe hairstyle reels, traveling video, because these are three things that I think that I love the most, and these are the three things that I'm mostly following influencers on. And so yeah, today my first reel is going to be the hairstyle reel. Usually I love to keep my hair open. It's always mostly curled or straightened hair, and I love to keep it loose like this. But these days it is super hot in Spain. It's my first summer in Spain, and the weather is super dry over here. It is very difficult to keep managing my hair like this, keeping it open, being all sweated is super difficult. So last couple of days I was figuring out like couple of hair videos. I was looking into a couple of hair videos and seeing how I can style my hair, and I came across a few of them, and I thought I'll share with you guys. So yeah, today let's start with that. Also, my hair are not freshly washed. I washed my hair like 2 days ago, and this is perfect for the hairstyle that I'm going to take you through today. It's like a hairstyle which needs just one comb and 4 hair ties, and yeah, that's about it. And it is super easy. I'm a lazy person, and I do not like to do something which is super difficult. So I'm always gonna look for something which is super easy and easy to carry, easy to do, and it just be like that for a couple of hours, and I don't have to look into it too much. So yeah, it's one of the most easy hairstyle I've seen, and it looks super chic. For this hairstyle, all you need is one comb and 4 hair ties, and that's about it. It's super easy. Let us detangle our hair before we start to style it, because we don't want our tangled hair in between while we are already in between the hairstyle. It is not good to, we don't want to stuck in between with the tangled hair. So yeah, I have untangled my hair. The middle partition, like you guys can see, I'm having this partition for 2 days. I'm not gonna change it, but you guys can also do it with the side partition because it does not matter. Now let's quickly start the hairstyle. Let's start by securing our hair in a ponytail. Make sure your ponytail is tight so that we can keep our hairstyle intact for a longer duration. Now let's loosen our ponytail a bit and make some gap in between two portions of the hair, because we have to now take our hair from upside down. Now again tighten it a bit. Now let's leave some gap in between the ponies and secure the rest of the hair with another hair tie. And we are going to repeat this step by making a gap in between, and again putting our hair upside down. Make sure your gap is exactly in the middle and the hair ties are at equal distance from each other. This will help you make your hairstyle look super aligned and clean and not messy. Also, we are repeating this step for the third time, securing our hair in a hair tie, and then we will have the gap in between, and again take our hair upside down and then tighten it a bit. And voila, your hairstyle is done. For someone with a side partition, it is going to look something like this. It is not much of a change. How do you think it looks? So guys, I hope you appreciate my first video, and I hope you like my content. I hope you enjoyed doing this hairstyle with me, and do subscribe to my channel and like this video, and yeah, see you again next time.